I can now build entire coding projects for you, not just autocomplete a single line. The newly released Qwen 3.6 Plus by Alibaba can build a full official website in just 8 minutes for only 2 cents. It handles everything: understanding requirements, writing code, running tests, and fixing bugs, all automatically. It's not just for new projects either. Upload an error screenshot, and it will analyze the issue and give you fixed code directly. Dealing with an old, messy code base? Its massive context window can digest your entire million token code base in one go. So here's the big question: how do you run this powerful model locally on your own computer? Open ServBay. Go to Packages on the left and install Qwen. Since the Windows version of ServBay does not yet include Qwen 3.6 by default, you'll need to install it manually in the Llama terminal with this command: Llama pull Qwen 3.6 latest. Qwen 3.6 uses a lot of RAM and can slow down regular PCs. So I'll demonstrate the full process using a smaller, lighter model that comes built into ServBay. How to use it after installation. You can test it with curl commands, but I recommend using chatbox. Set the API address to 127.0.1:11434. Select your model. And you're ready to chat just like